Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hak nak kena kupor ba feedback ya kena ke video. Apa yang sampai episode sen apa kena ke YouTube channel ke chonga Ribella KM. Dia entah kesini kada kesini Saturday ting syarat esi cuti tambah ngidon program apa ke college kami ngidon ka Freshers'Meet the Freshers Day akan betaki kena jangan ke first semester students dan kabat bentang sengi ingin selek burom nak bentang jengki ingin pediang iki apa college kami dan saya pet kena ke video wah bapingi ini le ayu bentang sengi baru sini nak terkadang aku aban lek kenang ya kena ke vlog sebentar kesini kamba ngan dia ben pedi pi nyale ayu ya chat na ngir wana ke bagi le pi sapeti wah so come along with me in today's program, today's video, and today's vlogs. I usually have a very beautiful view from here. Man ko po ito na hadapit nang niya, na po siya Ndoy menta kasi ite karang domba. Ya rash tayo tang kitu kiding artali. This is my morning view for today. Dan sngim dan lang dum hakum kapor ba. Ang step ba tambah kapor mata kala day pra bace prashta. The weather is so gloomy today. Here slap la shitayo la atayo slap menta. Kaya kadum ba ka blampe. What to do? Cha chua ka te yo di cha yo kre yo lai cha college sa don gitu ke Freshers program ke mga ang yupi dan program kan sedang cipro bece antara ada kanda bece dan ngan kre chua saya kre nang bat ngah dan ini seperti yupi ngila yu berak sisngi kom lagi kena jangan kelong. They are very tall, I am very short. Make kenyang lah. Te perlok ngindik sya shwa menta pet kita gede ki chumbam dik sya chonga bat kena ke sya chonga te ada ngindik sya lang shwa. My breakfast for today. I like this cake. So cute and tasty, I think. This is so cute. Right? Cute bang harok. So I'll try this. Let's try and see how it is. Good. Perlu kalau ada bendit siya, teman tangan crash wa. Kadang-kadang sari kebangan sophong, kadang deliver sari, regular sari, dia ba kasari kepas time the simple one. Nama pa? Kadang kesini cumi kena, tapi maki kita bela style kan kita give first semester kiba, they ka fresh na benda jungki, tapi maki kita bela style. You know, those who are in the college, what you will do on your freshers no farewell. Dan ngatakan pang beta ko ne, kung balik class man kasi. And again, this is also the blouse that I have made. These are the shoes I need to wear to match with this blue. Guys, I'm done with getting ready dalam kerapet. Very simple. Up the lambiang sampai hang. There, now it's outfit check time. This is my shoes and my full outfit. Look at the mirror. See, this is the full outfit for today. And with this bag that I'm going to carry for today. Sementara kalau dari kepor pengambil no la kendai san pau jangan mi no kajan ha san minit ngala boy hi there sa continue one page kanik video pin i ke bangile ngan saring kat ke bang ayok ma na ka benta jong pi. So this is my quarter. So I'm going from that way to Bulutulai.
Laughter and 99% on platform, and we as your host today, we only want you to talk non-stop without getting marked absent.
What helped every student grow? So let's this Freshers'Meet be the start of something amazing. We will learn, grow, and make us proud. Once again, welcome to the commerce family of Don Bosco College, Bundihanti, your second home from today. Thank you, and let's have a fantastic time together.
Yes or no? Forcefully. Not correct, but forcefully we used to keep that. Whatever balance is supposed to be there, we used to keep it there. You know? So, we know that the sound is not correct even if we put it, but still we decide to put it there so that both the assets and the liabilities will be tallied. Right? So what happened? This is a life example. Okay? If there is no balance in life, okay, even if you try to put things that is not supposed to be there, there's no point. Okay? So everything should be balanced. Be it your studies, be it your life, be it your personal life, be it anything. Okay? Everything should be balanced.
so much. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your time.
Miss Wan Yunis, please come and congratulations, all our 3 freshers. Please take your seat.
Thank you all, my dear friends. Finally, my deepest appreciation to all your present here for being here today, to making this gathering meaningful. Thank you all, and we look forward to meeting again at future events. Thank you all for being here.
So the next round. Play the music.
Dah.
Just here. How many? 5.
Apa yang nggak ada program bro lah enjoy ha. We had a wonderful day with our students. Ki dunai kena bawan tanpa delay. Renshat, daya keben, daya ruai, daya bang. So we enjoy a lot. Tentang apa yang dengan pekut sendan yang nikah film antara sini. Belajar pun berpelapik nadok sedang untuk pekut. Dia sakemau ban. Share, like, subscribe, comment, dan dapat klik video. Dia sa kelak merecommend ke video yang saat ini akan next month. Kaya belajar pun boleh nak creepy. Share, like, and subscribe.